Neil Parfitt at Barmax Homestead. Could I order some dog food for my dogs, please?
On a remote farm in Australia, the world's first delivery by a Google drone. Called Project Wing, the drone has been going through secret trials in the outback.
We're in Australia. The goal of being here is to show that the hard work over the last 2 years has resulted in a reliable system that can do autonomous delivery. And we also really just want to get out and learn what it's like to actually deliver to the neighbor Neil and see what it's like from their perspective.
The drone takes off vertically, then flies like a plane at up to 90 kilometres an hour before dropping its package down a wire.
It could help a lot of people, you know, if there's someone out in the bush, they've collapsed because of a fire and they need some injection or something, or if someone's been bitten by a snake or a spider, and they could zip it straight out.
Google's been spreading its wings with the help of an Australian company.
There's still someone very much in control of the aircraft, being able to divert it in case it needs to, being able to land it or get it to come home again. Very much a pilot in command.
But like Google's driverless cars, the idea is that one day drones will fly unaided. Amazon too is experimenting with this modern airmail.
Google wouldn't have been able to carry out its flight tests in America because regulation simply doesn't exist for commercial drone flying. Australia, though, is much more forward-thinking. Here you can fly drones as long as you keep them 30 metres away from people, don't fly above 400 feet, and always keep them in line of sight of the operator.
But even the experts admit there's a long way to go before unmanned drones get off the ground.
There's no way it can detect whether it's flying over or near people. The accuracy of GPS is another thing. And then you've got people on the ground who might want to interfere with a drone's flight and maybe bring it down as well.
Despite the hurdles, Australia's leading the way, experimenting with drones. They're being looked at as a useful tool for helping tackle bushfires, surveying buildings and even spotting surfers in trouble. The future, it would seem, is very much up in the air. Jonathan Samuels, Sky News, Sydney.